Hello guys, welcome to Studio of Architects. It's Architectship Mess. Today we see how to create stairs in Revit and different type of stairs in Revit. How to add stairs in your plan. First, create new architecture. First, set the levels. Go to the any elevation. Just click 3 meter. Create levels. 3 meter. Okay. Go to the level. For creating stairs, go to the stairs. There are some methods: straight, spiral staircase, L-shaped staircase, and V-shaped staircase. We can see a step by step for straight staircase. Just select and drag. Our staircase is ready. Straight. We can see the 3D spiral staircase. Just select and decide the radius of the spiral. Okay, click. You can see the staircase, spiral staircase, L shape, U shape. Okay, you can see the different type of staircase. For changing the editing the staircase, you can see the other properties of commercial staircase, the staircase, commercial staircase, residential staircase. Actually, the material is changing and the structural element is changing. Cast inside concrete staircase. We can change the relief of the staircase and just click select select the relief and glass. You can see the difference. For editing, you can see the different desired number of riser, actual number of riser, height of the riser, depth. We can edit the from here. Edit. For example, let's create a new staircase. Just click. You can see the riser created and just click and it automatically take the mid-landing. Cut the section. Go to the section. You can see these steps. Change the to complete. For example, our staircase continuing go from level 0 to level 2. Just click and select the level. Okay. It automatically creates the level. That is for today. Thank you for watching.